phone. I saw it. Lie as much as you want. I saw you using the phone. I saw you using the phone.
I'm not on my phone, it's on my lap. I'm not on my phone.
Yeah, because you hit it. Are you this good at lying to your mum with those lips?
That's exactly.
Ah, look at that. Look at that smile. Do you see how close you came to half your license in the bin? You came very close.
Half a second too slow, mate.
Yeah, but you got to do it every time. I only have to catch you once. I don't know what he said.
It might be cycling that.
You alright, mate? Watch where you're going. Can't help thinking he's riding an illegally boosted bike. But maybe I'm wrong. If he goes significantly faster than me. Stick to the speed limit, Sunbeam. Like, why is he driving like that? He's not on two wheels, he's not supposed to be filtering. Oh. Nice landy. Oh, I was just going to give you a hand, hold your hand. How are you, my friend? Have a nice day. Now I'm copying Motor Gym or Harvey, I can't remember which one that is.